Hello, my family members. Due to increase of demand, we came again with most asked synonym questions in Accenture on-campus or off-campus drive. Okay, let's start with the questions. Which of the following words is the synonym of the word cumulative? Summative, regressive, distributive, or frumpish? Among them, the answer will be summative, right? Actually, the meaning of regressive, this term actually refers to a backward movement, decline, or return to a previous or less advanced state, right? And the meaning of distributive, this term actually relates to distribution or division of something among individuals or groups. And frumpish, this term describes someone who is unfashionable or dowdy in appearance, right? And often neglecting their personal style or grooming, right? And summative means actually pertaining to a final assessment or evaluation, often at the end of a period instruction. So this is actually quite similar with the cumulative. So the answer will be summative. Okay, the next question is, which of the following words is the synonym of the word optimization? Abridgment, compression, drop, or boost? The answer will be boost, right? This term, the act of condensing or shortening a written work while preserving its means, ideas, or content. This is abridgment, right? And the compression, the act of squeezing or pressing something together, right? Often to reduce its size or volume. This is compression. And drop, to let something fall or descend from a higher to a lower position, right? This is drop. And the boost, to increase, enhance, or raise something. And this is quite similar with optimization. That is the process of making something as efficient, effective, and it is also enhancing, right? So boost and optimization is quite similar. So the answer will be boost. Next question is, which of the following words is the synonym of the word numerate? Estimate, numerator, cipher, or equation? Actually, the meaning of numerate is having basic knowledge and skills in arithmetic and mathematics, right? Able to understand the work with numbers, right? And what is the meaning of estimate? To roughly calculate or guess the value, size, or quantity of something based on available information. And this is an approximation, right? And what is numerator? In a fraction, the numerator is the top number, right? This is numerator. And what is cipher? A code or system of secret writing. It can be it can also refer to a mathematical symbol like zero, or person who has no influence or importance, like this, right? And equation, a statement that shows the equality of two expression, right? This is equation. So the cipher actually quite similar with numerate, right? So the answer will be cipher. Okay, the next question is, which of the following words is the synonym of the word adamant? Soft, flexible, sensitive, or rigid? Please think a little and give me the answer. What is the synonym of the adamant? Actually, the meaning of adamant, it refers to being unyielding, firm, or determined in one's attitude, opinion, or decision, right? And the meaning of soft is having a gentle or yielding nature. It can also refer to something that is not harsh or severe in tone or texture, right? And what is flexible? The terms refers to capable of bending easily without breaking, right? And the sensitive, it is having heightened, this is having heightened awareness or responsiveness to stimuli, emotions, or situations, right? And the meaning of rigid, this is inflexible or resistant to change. It implies a lack of adaptability, right? So what is similar with adamant? The term Rigid is actually quite similar with adamant. This is firm, unyielding, right? Okay, the next question is okay, the next question is which of the following words is the synonym of the word trauma? Alleviation, contentment, order, ordeal. What will be the answer? Okay, I'm answering. Actually, the answer will be ordeal. Why I am answering? Trauma, the terms it refers to a deeply distressing or disturbing experience, right? And alleviation means the act of making something less severe or reducing its intensity, right? And contentment means a state of happiness and satisfaction with one's current situation, right? And the meaning of order, a state of arrangement or organization, often referring to things being systematically structured or arranged in a certain way, right? And finally, ordeal, it is a difficult or painful experience, right? So trauma means also a distressing or disturbing experience, and this is quite similar with ordeal. So the answer will be ordeal, right? Okay, the next question is which question for you? Which of the following words is similar, I mean synonym of rebellious? Please pause the video and try to solve the problem, right? This is quiz question for you. Please give me the answer in the comment section. Okay, the next question is which of the following words is the synonym of the word lethargy? Action, vivacity, concern, dullness. Okay, now I'm just answering the questions. That is, in this case, the answer will be dullness, right? And the next question is which of the following words is the synonym of the word virtual? Actually, I'm not explaining these questions because this is very easy, and seeing the questions, I can answer that, right? And I hope you will also. The answer in this case will be implied, right? Okay, the next question is which of the following words is the synonym of the word synonym? Before I give the answer, I would request you to please watch the playlist regarding Accenture on campus or off campus regarding all videos and all previous year coding questions. You will be are available there, right? So please watch that and please subscribe this channel and make me motivated, right? So in this case, the answer will be equivalent, right? This is actually what I don't have to explain further because this is similar, synonym and equivalent, right? Okay, the next question is which of the following words is the synonym of the word decorous? This is also a quiz question for you. Please give me the answer. Decorated, civilized, loud, or distracting? Please pause the video and give me the two quiz questions that I have told you to give my answer, right? Okay, I hope this session was very helpful to you and informative, and you have learned some words that is very important for your exam, right? So I hope you will give me the answers. So thank you for today's session.